Conrad kongkal sangma hene kesineng kong jong katayo kataha ka arpau tarik ulber arjar arpulai ulong baga Jylla Meghalaya kadai gawai neki kato kane ke Jylla kibalayo iya kasong pisa benrap lane ke additional fund kabalai spa klur tengka kum kejing item lane ke bonus baklala ban penteri kampura ya ke capital investment fund lane ke CIF. Ha baikran bagi nong thok khubor Conrad ulong baga Jylla kala penteri kam ya kasong pisa hakarkom ke badai hagi project baper bat ki scheme baper ulong ru baga capital investment fund lane ke CIF kedai ke belai syabro ke Jylla kum ke noksa namar kata ulong ru baga sorkar Hapoh ke jingilam jong kum menteri rangba kila kerpat ya ke sorkar India bat nai ya kasong benrap kum ke jing item lane ke bonus namar lelak ban pendap bat penteri kampura ya ke CIF. Nak kata kadau ka Jylla Meghalaya kedai kawai nagi kato kat ne ke Jylla ki balayo ya kasong benrap lane ke bonus. Hadin bag sorkar Jylla kelala ban pendep bat kerpat nak ke sorkar India la yo biang 90% kepisa ke bala Aisyah ke sorkar. Ke sorkar Jylla kaliyo priang ya ke Hynrei pak klur ha ke basdang bat ke Jylla Meghalaya kedai kawai nagi kato kat ne ke Jylla ki balala ban pendep Hapoh arhajar arpulai. Bat menta ke Jylla kalayo salai pak klur tengka ong menteri rangba. Haba kedau ya kejinglek Delhi jong ke badang shen menteri rangba ulong bahadin ke election ke baladep bat dep ban bam smai kumu menteri rangba ha kesin ke bar ulas ngudai ba unhab ban lek ya kendu ya ki menteri jong sorkar pedeng bat ban bu ya kejingkerpat haki ba kumba kila kersan ya ke sorkar Meghalaya ha kini kesan snam ke baladep kin beteng biang ban lek ya kene Shushu ulong ru baki dan kiwei pat ki kam ki bakerpang ki bahap penekren bat ki ministry ki baladap ye kren bat la yo ru ya ke jubab ke basngau tenat la ke dei ha ke tenat pule puti bat ke baidei bat ke CUET lane ke CIF nang finance ministry haba kali la ke sorkar kan bu jingkerpat persya ya ke hukum badang shen jong ke ying kasiri Meghalaya High Court ban pha ye ke CISF bakin tela kam ye ke jingkhayi bia nyeu doyong menteri rangba ulong bak sorkar kadang bisar ya kene batkan sashim ya karai hakini lihat singi kibanwan halor ke jingkam jong menteri rangba ke Asam bak Mukroh kadang hap ha Asam menteri rangba ke Jylla Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bak sorkar kelai kerensyai nadu kisngi kibanengkong bak Mukroh kamdei setia ke Jaka ke baya Kajia Hynrei ke Mukroh kadang hap Hapoh pur usam jong ke Jylla Meghalaya bat kene kedai kenong rim ke bakum ke sorkar ke yang bat ladap bani kerensyai nadu kisngi kibanengkong habai dei bat ke hukum jong ying ke siri ban pen no ye ke kam ke bai dei bat ke jing pen ken ria ye ke them motor menteri rangba ulong ba on sarai onda haba ke lapoi ha ke sorkar bat ai ba ke high level committee kan pendep ye ke kam ke badang sat.
We have been very clear from day one that Mukroh is not a disputed area at all. Mukroh is very much within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya and this is a stand that we have been very clear from day one.
Relating to the High Court order on the relocation of the Heritage colony from there, how will the government move forward with this?
The committee will take a call and then we'll decide. They'll come to the government. So let the committee do its work.
You met a lot of ministers, union ministers in Delhi.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what are the promises made by them?
This was more of a public relation exercise. And after elections, being sworn in as the Chief Minister for the second term, I felt it appropriate that I should pay a visit and meet all the concerned ministers and urge them and request them that like they have been supporting the state government and the Meghalaya state as a whole in the past 5 years, that they continue to do that. And that is the basic discussion that we had. Of course, there were specific issues in specific ministries which we have taken up, and in fact we have got positive response, whether it's the education department regarding the CUET or whether it's regarding the capital investment fund from the finance ministry. So all those we have already got positive response, but as I said, it was not a specific issue related trip. It was more of a generic trip where we thought that we should go and say hello to everybody.
If you met the Union Finance Minister, is there any cause for worry of our state finance?
No, in fact, Meghalaya has utilized the funds in a very efficient manner in different projects and in different schemes. For example, the capital investment fund, which was given to all the states. Meghalaya is one of the few states that has already utilized all the funds, and hence we had urged the government of India to give additional funds and bonus to us because we have completed and utilized those capital investment fund which was given to Meghalaya. So Meghalaya is one of the few states which has got additional funds. So after my request and after I urged Government of India, we have received additional 50% of the total amount sanctioned to us. So that means we had got 600 crores in the beginning, plus minus. We are one of the few states that has finished it for 2022-23, and another 300 crores has been sanctioned to us. So we have received a bonus for it.